wishing you all a great day ahead. Here, our team, Math Pioneers, presents you the adaptation and implementation of the ancient constructions. Here, we have come up with some of the methods which has been used in the ancient constructions such as the Grand Anicut, that is, the Kallanai, and the Great Brihadeeshwara Temple located in South India, and implemented these methods in the modern constructions. For the programming, we have used the Python language, and the calculations that we used in our programming are number one, the functions for the construction of Kallanai, and number two, the calculations for the house construction, which includes critical path analysis and the interlocking method. So we have taken here the two most majestic constructions from Tamil Nadu and sought out the mysteries using mathematics. As we all know, in the ancient constructions, rocks were the essential material to build both the dam and the temple. And the mathematical method used here is tangent, and they used to stick together with a mortar, which is still a mystery to the world. Have you ever wondered how this great temple was used to construct with the help of tangent? Here is the construction progress. A circle was drawn in a rock, cut it, filled with water, fitted a timber. Later, a crack was created along the circle, and they continued this process for the rock cutting progress. And what about the dam? Over 2000 years ago, without the use of any modern equipment, a dam was constructed which still stands strong, and there are many questions that arises to every scholars and researchers about this dam construction. Here we have sorted out, and the main method to construct this dam is the function. During that period, 1 lakh cubic feet of water would flow per second. So it was very difficult to lay a foundation across the river. Using this concept of function, they made it possible. For the strongest foundation, they required a rock that varies up to 1000 feet. Here, the one-to-one function and the inverse functions have been used. By this, they found the weight of the rock to bury and started to construct a dam. The method used in the Brihadeeshwara Temple is the interlocking method, which is also used in the Japanese construction. The Japanese wood joinery, which dates back to the 7th century, is a handicraft technique that involves complicated interlocking wood joints that forms bonds without the use of any nails and screws. The mud clay was also used as a mortar to construct houses in the Indus Valley civilizations, such as the cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. It has also been used in Kiradi also. So these are the marvelous methods used in the most ancient constructions. Here we have implemented all these methods in our modern construction. We know that to build a house of 1000 square feet during this period would cost up to 30 lakhs. Here we came up with the materials required and the total budget of a house to be constructed in 1000 square feet. These are all the brief calculations to construct a house in 1000 square feet. As you can see, the total cost ranges up to 30 lakhs. Now, imagine a house that is perfect for every climate, which is low budget and resist every natural disaster. Yes, by our adaptation, we can reduce up to 60% of the budget, which also gives the strongest construction that can resist us from natural calamities, even earthquakes. Here you can see the budget of our house that cost us only 14 lakhs and 5,000 in total in the same 1000 square feet with much more stability. The main advantage of this house is it is cheaper to make, eco-friendly, and labor shortage, and so on. Here's the SWOT analysis, which gives the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats of our project. In addition to this technique, we have implemented a mathematical method called critical path analysis, which is used to construct a house within a week. In addition to this, we have also implemented the modern equipments such as the drones and the robots to reduce manpower and save time. This is the time duration of our house construction. Last but not the least, we conclude to say the ancient methods can be used in the modern construction to reduce our budgets and which will be much more efficient. Thank you for giving us this platform to establish our idea. Thank you.